Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I think all of you are very fine. So today we are going to study some Arabic letters with some words and their picture also. Okay. So 6 letters. First letter Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam. Then look to first letter Ain. So look how I to write. Look, Ain. It have no dot. So you can see here grapes, some grapes. We will tell for that in Arabic inabun. This is grapes, okay? So look how to write the inabun. I am adding here. So this inabun, inabun, grape. Then next letter Ghain. We will put a dot on the ain. Okay, look. It is Ghain. Then look this picture. A crow. So we will tell for that one ghurab, ghurab, crow. How to write the ghurab? Look here. Ghurabun. Okay, crow, ghurabun. Then next letter fa. Okay, fa. It have only one dot. Fa. Okay. Then look this picture. Some elephants have. So in Arabic we will tell feel, feelun. Okay. Look, feelun, elephant. Feelun. Then next letter qaf. It have two dot. This some cat. You can see cats here. Qitun. In Arabic, qitun. Look, I wrote here. Qitun. Qitun. Cat. Qitun. Cat. Then next letter. Look. Kaf. Kaf. Okay. So it have a like this also you can write it. Kaf. So look a picture with the calf. This dog. You can see here dog. In Arabic we will tell for dog kalbun. Kalbun dog. Kalbun dog. Look. Kalbun. Kalbun. Okay. Dog. Then next letter lam. Okay. You can see lam. It look like say a hook. Lam. So we are studying a word with lam. Look this picture. Lion. You can see the lion here. So in Arabic we will tell laythun. 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 Look. This laythun. Laythun. Lion. Thank you for watching. جزاكم الله خيرا أحسن الجزاء.